Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be going over how to assemble the camera in the Insta360 Go Ultra. So this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who just got their Insta360 Go Ultra. And so the camera actually isn't that confusing. There's multiple ways you can actually go ahead and use it. But the main two components that you have here is that you have the actual camera itself, which is this little guy right over here. And then you have what they call is the action pod. So the camera here actually magnetically connects to the action pod just like that. And then you have this unlock button, which will go ahead and remove the camera anytime you want it to be removed. Now, the reason why you might want to go ahead and remove it is that the camera alone itself, this can magnetically attach to multiple different things. So whether it's metal, poles, gates, fences, this will magnetically attach. And the cool thing is that once you turn on this portion of the camera, you can see that's turned on. You can use this as like a secondary screen. So even though I'm pointing at different areas, I can use this as a screen to make sure that what I'm seeing is what's appearing on screen. So that's a pretty neat feature with using this camera, where the camera itself, you can turn it around, as you can see, and it's me talking, and you could attach it to different things. So with your Insta360, it does include a neck mount and as well as a clip mount. You can use the clip mount to attach to here so that you can attach it to your hat or shirt, for example. And then magnetic neck mount makes it so that it attaches to your chest magnetically. In addition to that, you can switch between vertical mode and horizontal mode. And anytime you want to reattach, you can reattach it just like that as well. Also, you can have selfie mode. So if you flip open the actual camera, you can see that you now have a selfie mode here. And yeah, so that's pretty much it as far as how to assemble the Insta360 Go Ultra. If you guys have any questions, let me know in the comments down below.